Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm at a different place, which happens to be, which is considered to be a national monument out here in San Francisco. The name of the place is Muir Woods. Okay, and if you do come here, do make it a point to come and visit this place. It's a magnificent place which has a lot of old trees. And when I say old, I'm talking about like more than like 700 years old. Yeah, it's that crazy. All right. So looks and I think it's also a great time to be with nature, explore, and be part of nature. So decided to make sure that today I get to enjoy a lot of greenery, and that's the reason I've come to this place. So yeah, out here with my family, I'm gonna be exploring the place out here, and at the same time, we'll be also going to the Golden Gate Bridge for probably a few minutes. And where else am I gonna be going? If I do get time, I may go to the Crooked Street. That's the name of the place, which happens to be at Lombard Street. So that's also an interesting place to explore. So yeah, it's a lot of interesting things to do today. So yep, enjoy the journey with me. All right, as I keep exploring and as I keep recording for you guys. All right, guys, take care. Cheers.
um jardim, estou vendo onde, uma parte.
Ah.